Right. And with that said, we are always grounding ourselves in who recovery community centers are, and they are all different. They all share things and they're all different. So it's always wonderful to see each unique one. Today, we are super happy to have Melanie Cobb with us from Landmark Recovery. Melanie, can you tell us what happens when you walk through the door of your recovery community center?
Hi, thank you so much for having me. When you walk through the door at Landmark Recovery Center, the first thing you're going to really come encountered with is the smell of coffee and just that wonderful, welcoming atmosphere. You're going to be hearing people talk, and as you walk toward the sound of talking, you're going to be greeted by one of our staff. We have a staff of 5. 4 of them are peer support specialists, and one of them is a family member of someone in recovery. They're going to ask you to sign in and ask if you've been here before. Our sign-in sheet is directly in front of our big bulletin board that has all of our events going on, like like barbecues and fishing trips and float trips and all kinds of things. We have a volleyball tournament coming up this weekend. Anything that you can think of to have fun in recovery. Then if they say they've never been here before, we give them a tour. So they'll start walking through the building with one of our staff, and they'll be introduced to our staff. As they turn a corner, they'll see our lounge area that has TVs and computers and comfortable seating. They'll also come in contact with people who might already be in the RCC using our services. So they could see things like people working one-on-one with our peer support specialists. They could see people starting to head towards our meeting room for some of our groups. They could see people working on their steps at our tables. They could see people meeting with other members of the community that are part of their support team, like probation officers, caseworkers, community support specialists. Anybody who works in the field can meet with their people here. They might see people eating and enjoying each other's company. They might see people doing community service, and they might even see people coming and leaving, going back and forth to court or looking for jobs. They could even see somebody doing something like a impromptu interview to try to do a mock interview to try to get a job. There are so many things that can be done here. We even have crafting supplies available for people. And that's just if you want to be in the center. Then if you would like to work on anything after the tour and we find out exactly what they're here for and who referred them, then we'll find out if they want to do some more work one-on-one. And then we use our advanced recovery management system to work one-on-one to help them find out exactly what's standing in their way from rebuilding their lives. And we just start to get to work. And that's what it's like to come to Landmark Recovery Center.